This is my current download location. Now I will use new volume F drive for download location. So I'm just opening this drive and let's create a new folder here and renaming the folder downloads. Opening this downloads folder and copying this download folder link from here, and then right click on your current downloads folder and click on show more in options. Open properties, go to location tab, and here paste your new downloads folder location that you just copied and click on apply. Click on OK and click on OK. And that's it. As you can see, my download location successfully changed.